let me explain also. Jayyim basically is sort of play on words. It is a Anglo-Arab twist on the word jam, which is what basically musicians say, describe what they do when they practice. And Jayyim is basically like the sort of Arabized verberation, or turning it into a verb. So, what does Jayyim do? Jayyim is a real-time sound effect app that replaces basically all of this. And this is typical equipment for electric guitarists, musicians. And basically turns your phone into all that. So that's basically emphasizing the price element. But that's not the only thing that this basically does. The actual emphasis here is the ability for musicians who use acoustic instruments like the oud, like the lute, like the mandolin, to basically be able to enjoy what musicians who have been using electronic instruments basically use. Now, I'll just show you basically a very quick, this should have been a full screen, so imagine that you can only see the black and none of the white on top and at the bottom. This is basically a screenshot of what the app would look like. You'd have all your effects stacked together. Basically, you would scroll on the top or swipe at the top and move between all the effects that you want to use, and then basically swipe up and down at every basically control of the effect that you're using. There's also a component where users would be able to save their presets and basically share them online. So let's say, for example, I'm a oud player. I came up with an interesting new basically way to play the same way that Slash, for example, would play on like a guitar but on oud. I would basically share that, and people would be able to review it basically, and it would go on top basically. It's very highly reviewed, and people will be able to see that. Now, this is you can't see the sign of it, but this is a product development plan for us. So we're in the proof of concept stage. We've basically been able to do a delay effect here in my team. Me and my team, and we are basically looking at developing a basic platform that has a bunch of basic effects. Running out of time, and then basically what we do is we would sell. That would be free. It's going to be a freemium model. Let me jump to the business plan. It's a freemium model. Basically, we're going to be selling the app. So we're going to be giving the app for free as a platform with basic effects, and then we would be selling the effects that would be bundled. Basically, a group of effects together. Now, the model that we would, like the key partnerships, which is basically the key in our plan, would be the following. We would basically work with local and international musicians to basically emulate their sound. So somebody comes up with a new sound on a new album, we basically go to them, emulate the sound, and then sell that bundle and share the cost or share revenue. What I'd like to do right now is I would like to. What I'm doing here is to be working. So what I'm trying to do in this video is I'm borrowing from an advert here, and what you're supposed to be here is a very classical.
Fine. One last question.
Yes.
Can you do this for other instruments or just guitar?
Yeah. I mean, I should have actually. I didn't have time. But
all right. Fine.
Any acoustic. How is this in Garage? Garage is computer-based.
Thank you.